I wanted to show you guys this look in daylight. All the clean girls in the house, put your hands up. Why is this called a clean girl makeup look? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to be a clean girl. I'm going to make a tutorial on how to get the clean girl makeup look. It is a trend which was trending on TikTok. We don't have TikTok anymore, but it was trending on TikTok. Then it came to YouTube, and as always, I was late to the party. I'm doing this a little late, but then I thought that better late than never. Clean girl makeup is another name for a no makeup look, but I'm not calling this a clean girl look because I truly believe we all are clean girls here. I don't know who named it a clean girl look. I'm going to call it a clean makeup look, a clean no makeup look. Although this look is very easy, there are few things which I'm going to do differently here. I'm going to of course explain it to you as the tutorial goes on, and as always the links of all the products and their shade names will be mentioned in the description box below, so please do check it out. I also decided to wear a clean white shirt because I did not want to leave any stone unturned when it comes to looking like a clean girl. I hope I look like a clean girl. Sorry for that. Let's begin the video now. We are going to start off with a primer. Of course, I am going to use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Next, I'm going to use a strobe cream, but this time I'm actually trying out a new strobe cream. This is from Ilana Beauty and it is their Golden Hour strobe cream. I got this strobe cream in PR recently and I've actually not tried it on my face. I've only swatched it. So let's see how it works. I think I ended up taking more than what is required. Now I'm gonna blend this out. This is how it's looking on my skin. It is quite nice. It is very sheer, doesn't have any glitter chunks, but it did take a bit of time to, blend it out on the skin. I also ended up taking a little extra than required, so maybe that's why. It is not as shiny as MAC Strobe Cream, and I think it is pretty good for everyday kind of looks. Now let's move on to concealer. We will use Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. This is in the shade 03. I'm going to conceal all the darker areas of my face. And I've got a little zit here, so I'm going to cover that as well with this concealer. Let's blend this out. Next for foundation, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. Blending is done. Now we're going to set this base with e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. You must have noticed that I'm actually only using a sponge to apply everything. This is not a heavy look, this is a very light look, and sponges ensure that the layers which are going on your skin are not too thick. They soak up the excess product and keep your base very light. Next comes the contouring. Now there's no heavy contouring in this look, but I am going to apply a bit of contouring product to give a lifted look to my face. I'm going to show you how. I'm using Kiko Milano Flawless Fusion Bronzer Powder for this. And first, of course, I will lightly contour my jawline. and then my cheekbones. Although I usually contour like this only, but I'll still explain it to you in a better way. So this is the hollow of your cheekbone. If you do this, this point. So you have to take your brush and the contouring product a little bit, not too much, and move the brush upwards like this. The product should not go below the hollow of your cheekbones. Now I'm applying the contouring product on the corners of my forehead. So this is what I'm talking about. If you compare the two sides, this side looks more lifted. It is of course chiseled because it's a contouring product, and overall gives a very nice shape to the face. We're going to do a similar thing with the blush as well, but that will come later. Next, I'm going to fill up my eyebrows. I'm using e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. The eyebrows for this look are also brushed upwards and lifted. Everything is lifted in this look. So for that, I'm going to use Benefit Gimme Brow. This is in shade number 6. With this product, I'm going to brush my filled eyebrows upwards. Moving on to eyeshadow, and eyeshadow is going to be very simple, guys. I'm using e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette. These are really cute, by the way, and these are quite pigmented as well. The quality is very nice, and this is the shade which I'm going to use on my eyelids. Taking it on my brush and spreading it out on my eyelid. I'm not going to build this color too much because again, even with the eyeshadow, I'm looking at applying a very thin layer. After applying the shimmery shade, I am going to take the blush which I'm going to use. This is again from e.l.f. This is a combo of blush and highlighter, and I'm going to take the blush on my brush and mix it with the shade on my eyelid. I did this step because I wanted to make the shimmery shade even more subtle. This is how my eyelids are looking right now. They are very subtle. There's a bit of shine going on, and this is the kind of eyeshadow which is perfect for a no makeup look. Although I did not apply anything on the crease, I'm still taking a clean fluffy brush and running it through my crease. Next, we're going to apply the mascara, and ideally you should use a lash curler. I lost mine. I'm going to buy one really soon. But if you do have a lash curler, please use it before applying a mascara. I'm using Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I will be double coating the mascara, so I'm going to let this dry up and then apply one more coat. Time to apply the second coat. The eye makeup is complete. Now I'm moving on to blush. I'm going to use the blush and the highlighter from this palette from e.l.f. I think this is called Spiced Apple. Yeah, this is called Spiced Apple. And I love this palette, guys. It's so good. Just like the contouring for blush as well, I am going to do this upward brush action. Lastly, to blend the blush and the contouring, I'm going to use a compact. This is Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Compact in the shade Ivory Cream. I'm going to run this compact on top of my blush and contouring. I'm going to move on to highlighter. I'm using the highlighter shade from this palette for the same. And firstly, I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Next comes all the high points of my face. For my lips, I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Lipstick in the shade Petal Pink. To give my lips a juicy look, I'm going to apply a lip gloss. This is Too Faced Lip Injection and there's a mini size. The lips do tingle a bit after applying Too Faced Lip Injection, but that's absolutely normal. That feeling subsides after 5 minutes. To set everything up, I'm going to use Smashbox Primer Water. Hi, I wanted to show you guys this look in daylight. The sun is directly on my face right now. Not really directly, there is a window here. But yeah, this is how this look looks like in bright daylight. There are no studio lights here. There are no filters as well. I anyway don't use filters. So yeah, this is the final look and I love it. It is so juicy and look at this highlight. I love how the highlighter looks when the sun is shining on it. It's a good look, guys. It is a clean look. I look like a clean girl. That was the footage from daylight and this is the footage from studio lights, and this is the final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. You can actually do like a sleek bun with this kind of a makeup look, but my face looks like a potato whenever I make a bun, so I always keep my hair loose. Anyway, you can of course do any hairstyle of your choice. It's an easy peasy look as well. The key factor here is the blending of all the products, be it your base, your contouring, your blush, your eyeshadow, although there's minimal eyeshadow, but just, you know, kind of take your time with the blending and it's all going to look clean. I'm going to end this video right here, guys. If you haven't checked out our brand already, we do have a brand. It's called House of Jerome. It is a small brand, but we've got some awesome things in our brand. There is clothing, there is a range of luxury, beautifully fragrant candles, and we've got some coffee mugs as well. I'm going to leave the link in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Please do check it out, and if you do like something, then please consider buying it. That's it from me for today. Now I'm going to take my clean self out to the kitchen and get some coffee and then edit this video. You're already watching it, so yeah, that's what I did after I ended this video. Anyway, take care of yourself and stay safe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.